Okay, check this out. We got $1, $2.25, and I'm doing nothing but spot free rents. Of course, I have to hand dry it. Six minutes. Actually, we'll say 10. We'll say 10 minutes. And then when we get to the shop, you'll see what she looks like. So I think that was, we'll say 10 minutes. 10 minutes and $2.25. Okay, from the $2.50 car wash, the do-it-yourself. This is the aftermath. Well, can't really see. I'm gonna try to point out the imperfections. And as you saw, there was a really quick hand dry. So, yep, it's right there. See right there? Yep, right here. You need to do this to a black car. Here's one. But for the most part, that was only spotless free rinse and a hand dry. So right there, you can tell I didn't hit that. This is my rock chip experiment repair job that looks like total doo-doo that I definitely need to redo. So you can see where, like, here it was perfect, not so much. So it's hard to see in the camera, but oh, that's cool. So I just got this new iPhone 8 and I'm just learning how to play with it. So I'm trying to mess with the lighting aperture. So cool. All right, tell me what you guys think. My new product line of this liquid glass. you know, seeing what works, what doesn't work. So far, in my opinion, this outdoes my first liquid glass job or product. So I'm impressed. I still like it, knowing that it can be put on any hard surfaces, even the bumper. So you can see, but I'll have to do another video where the water just beads right off the other than paint. So anyway, thanks, bye.